Highway SS on the 20th of August. Driving down the road, everything's fine back here. It's waiting to be blacktop. No signs or anything. And there's this mountain of dirt here with no place for anybody to go. We'll follow this down a little bit. Come on. I need the light. No. Big, huge pile of dirt here. Here, stand next to it once. To give you an idea how deep this crap is. And this is what they leave us to drive on. Do you want to see the hole that I went through? It's right up here. I'll be right back. This is all soft. Every bit of this is soft. You can barely drive through. And still, as you can see, huge pile, no signs, left in the middle of the road. Can barely get through. Right up here is some holes that pretty much toasted my truck. This is all wet, all soft. Barely enough room to get even down this road. So it's lucky nobody has hit this pile of dirt yet. As you can see, it's almost knee high. Then it gets really super thin up here, really super wet. Just slimy. And no matter how fast or slow you go, you're gonna get stuck. Big, huge mud crates. And then this right here is what I wound up running my truck through. There is no room whatsoever to get through here. And look at this. Sitting right on the side of the road. Trying to get this. This hole is more than knee deep. Timbers on the side of it, which I hit. Timbers there. Big hole here. Big hole here. People have been stuck. I don't know what the hell these guys are thinking. The other side, you can't get down it either because of this. So there's no place safe for people to travel. I'm walking down, heading north. You can see where people have gotten stuck. Big piles of shit in the road. I mean, who does this? Don't even put signs up. You can see this is all sloppy. And then it drops off again here. A good 6-8 inch drop. The one side over here is all mid-shin high, and it only gets deeper. This is not safe. There's no reason these guys should have left it, and somebody is going to pay to fix the damage on this truck. It's the second time this has happened on the road. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. That's a huge, huge ravine. People have gotten stuck here. And they just leave this. Don't leave people any place to go. Y'all need to do something about this. This is going straight to the county clerk tomorrow. Absolutely ridiculous. Big potholes in here. Right there. People have been stuck. Absolutely no regard for safety or people's property, or as far as that goes, getting this damn job done. And then this, big piles of blacktop and shit, then a big huge bump in the road. Talking half a foot thick, 8-10 inches thick. Somebody needs to do something about this. This is bullshit.